Hello, I'm Emma. Everyone is welcome to Inehub to earn money online. We have been helping you make money online for years. We look forward to serving you in the same way for a long time to come. Today we are talking about how to successfully create a Yobit account. If you create a Yobit account through our website, you can get our trading signals for free. So register through our link. First, visit our Inehub website. Go to Best Crypto Exchange in its menu where you can find Yobit registration link. Otherwise, register via Yobit link in YouTube description. After visiting the Yobit website, click on Register. Enter a username in the login field. Next, enter your email address and a strong password. Next, enter the letters and the 3 targets that appear in red. Click Tick to agree with the terms and conditions. Now click Register. Now you will receive a message from Yobit on your given email address. Click on the link there. You can activate your account there. Open the Telegram link shown here through your Telegram account. Click on Start. Choose the language you are comfortable with. Now Yobit website will open automatically. Enter your account information and login. Go to Profile and enter your personal information. Create a Yobit account through our link, get free signals, and subscribe us. Contact us immediately if you need any help. More via our Inehub website.